Yes, my people. Welcome back again for another video. Yeah, man, Ricky Chopa is here again. To God be the glory, great things he has done. What's up? Wagwan? Why pray? Yeah, man. So, we started talking about Forex. You hear everybody are talking about Forex. Forex is actually everywhere right now. Yes, and I've started shedding some light, giving some info about that. So once again, my people, if I can be that confirmation you guys were looking for to begin your journey, I will recommend that you take it serious and start your journey. Because like I said, no joke, no night. Yeah, but it's serious out here, my people, my Jamaican people. You need to do it. You hear cartel tell you, do it, we are do it. Okay. All right. So many of you might think Forex are just one style to Forex or one style to the trading. No. Because what I do is actually HFX, high frequency Forex or binary option, binary trading. All right. This is not like the traditional Forex where you have to calculate your stop loss, you take profit, you have to have a certain lot size. No, we don't do all of that in what I do. All right. So what I'm going to show is what I do. I'm not going to tell you about something that I am not doing. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing also. All right. So time is basically our best friend. I'm going to put it like that. Sometimes or majority of the times our best friend is good to us. And there are times when it misbehave a little, it's not so good, but majority of the time, it's been good to us. All right, so like I said, I'm going to share my screen because seeing is believing. So we're sure know what go on the people. All right. So right here. Okay, bam. You wake in the mornings before whatever time you choose to trade. Whenever you start your journey, what we normally do, we check the market, see what is going on. So we're gonna go on Forex Factory. This is what tells us, give us the news on what's happening within the country and so forth. All right. But looking at just the calendar, all right, you're gonna see the currency or the symbol for the currency, and you're gonna see a folder beside it. Now, my people, we just normally focus on all the folders that are yellow. If you see a red folder, don't trouble it. A stop sign that left you alone. Yellow folders, we are good to go. Go ahead with your trading. All right. But like I said, red folder beside the currency, you leave it alone for the day. Today is what? Monday. This is all that's happening for Monday. All right. Yeah. So whatever the day it is, you ensure you look at Forex Factory. It will show you the folder for the currency for the day, so you will know if it's good to trade or not. The next thing we want to look at, all right, currency strength meter. All right, my people, I'm trying to make this as brief and simple as possible. Just give a quick run through on the products and the stuff that we utilize to grow our account and our business. So like I said, the next thing we want to look at is the currency strength. All right. So depending on the currency pair that you chose, could be Euro JPY, Euro USD, GBP, JPY, whatever the pair you chose. This will tell which pair is stronger, which currency is stronger. All right. So depending on, so let's say you chose Euro JPY, you're gonna see Euro is stronger. So basically you're gonna look for buy trades. All right, because the euro is stronger. You're gonna look, you wanna buy a euro or maybe sell JPY if that's the case. All right, so that's the next thing that we look at. The next thing we look at, people, which is where I'm going to give you the source. I'm not going to jump to that one yet. I'm going to show you this right here, where we actually take our trades. And I'm sure, like I said, you go on YouTube right now, you will see something like this. And ads pop up and they're going to show you something exactly like this. This is the line that I am talking about. All right, candlesticks. Yes, there are candlesticks as well. Yes, as you can see, up, well, up, down, yes. All right, let's try for yeah. You're always going up and down, my people. All right. But traditional Forex analyzing, yes, we use candlesticks to analyze. Traders know to watch candlesticks and see what the market is doing. But for us, we're not really actually taking trades with this. We normally just watch the line. All right, my people. Yes, we look at the line. Analyzing, we look at the candlesticks. So don't get it twisted. Don't be confused with that right here. All right. So I'm going to just for to get the basics concept of this, I'm going to give some examples so you can actually see what we do. Now, this is a demo account, not a live account. So don't think this is real money. This is fake money. And right here is where you put in your trade amount, how much you want to risk. All right, so it can be $10, it can be $100. You can change it to 200, whatever the amount you want to use. I'm going to just stick to a $10 for this example. All right, right here you have a time expiration. Tell you time is our best friend. In this one, we're going to choose our time expiration, how much time we want to be in the trade for. All right, so yeah, from 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, and it goes on, but we normally stick to 1 to 3 minutes. All right, my training we normally stick to 3 minutes. I do personally change up to 2 and 1 depending on, yes, how I analyze a market, or if you move or let me, yes, but normally it's 3 minute trades. But for this example, I'm going to use a 2 minute. All right, so you come right here, you're going to choose your currency pair. This is all the currency pairs, but we want to choose the one that's giving us 70% and over payouts. The percent at the side is the payout. All right, so but you want to look for 70% and over. That is where the real payout is. All right, so let's say, all right, Euro JPY is giving us 70% payout. So 70% of $10, it's $7. You're gonna receive $7 in for this payout using a $10 trade. All right. But in total, my people, don't get it wrong. In total, you're gonna actually receive $17. The $7 that you win plus the $10 that you put in. So it's actually $17 a go win back. Now, let's say you analyze the market, and you see that the market is gonna go up. All right, you're gonna click the green button. Green is for up or buy, the green button. If it's gonna go down, it's gonna be the red button or the put button or sell. All right, So you analyze, it's gonna go up. You click the green button. See right here. Oh, 1 minute, 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to ensure. Let's see if I can make it bigger so you can see what's happening clear. Yeah. After 2 minutes, people, you want to make sure that this line is above where you place a trade. Right? You see this green line stretching across, your 2 minutes will end right here. So after 2 minutes, you want to ensure this line is above this green line. And as you can see, estimated profit, $17. Over here as well, you're going to see your open trade, well, $0. It's below our green line, so we're not in profit, as you can see. If it's below our green line after 2 minutes, then definitely you're going to lose that trade. You're going to lose the $10 that you put in for that trade. But if it's above the green line after 2 minutes, you will win your $7 plus the 10 you put in, which would equal to $17. Right now, we're actually losing the trade. But let's say you predicted the market was gonna go down. All right. Yeah. You see, now we've placed a sell trade. So what's gonna happen? You want to make sure the market is below your red line after 2 minutes. Once it's below your red line after 2 minutes, you will win that trade. As you can see, estimated profit $17. All right, my people, you can see it up here also. Just took the trade for a sell. 17 payout was 17. It's going above our red line, so we're currently out of profits. Both trades, yes, we're gonna lose this one. It seems, yes, it's still below. Wow. You just earned $10. You just earned, yeah, just earned 10 on Euro JPY. That was for our first trades, people. Yeah, was flat out. It wasn't actually above for that example, so it was just a $10. But this one still we're gonna lose this. Oh, it's dropping. I want it to actually go below the red line so you could have seen that you're actually getting the $17 after you clear the trade, but you're going, yeah, it's gonna be $0. But yeah, like I said, it's demo, so I'm not really worried. This is actually for example purposes and for you to actually see. Yeah, you see profit $0. All right, but that was just for you to grasp the basic concept of it, of how we enter a trade. Now, doing analyzation right here. Now, I've went through the calendar, went through the currency strength. Now, this is where the sauce is, my people, in the academy itself. All right. Now, I am saying to you have to be a member to gain access to this stuff. You're gonna get the strategy. All right. And remember, I am doing HFX, so I will be focusing on HFX. For persons who are doing traditional Forex, here it is, FRX, you can click on that. You will get your strategies that you need to do your trade and to get all those wins that you need. For me, I'm doing HFX, and like I said, I am not going to tell you about something I am not doing. So you tap on HFX, you're going to see your strategies down here. I recently ordered this one, So I'm yet to master it, which I will. Yes, I will, because getting this money feels good. So yes, I am getting the stuff that I need to ensure that I get my wins. But so far, I'm going to talk about liberty. Yes, my people, you click on it, activate it right there. Bam, your liberty pops up. My people, this is where the sauce is. There's so many strategies in liberty. All right. And over here is where you choose your currency, whatever one you. As soon as you click on a currency, the chart is going to pop up over here and give you the signal. See, they're going to tell you whether it's a buy or if you're going to take a sell. Right here, they're giving your entry. So if they say a buy, you're going to look at this. This is your entry. So you're going to go back on your broker or your trading platform. You're going to be looking at these numbers right here to see when it reaches the entry point that they gave you. We basically focus on the last three numbers, 815. All right. So first strategy, simple scalper. All right, my friend. This is how I started getting my wins. So I know it works, people. Yes, this is what got me started and got me started getting those wins. Now, let's move this. Once again, you're going to choose a time frame. We normally analyze on a 5-minute time frame because we mostly take 3-minute trades. All right, analyze on a 5-minute or trading expiration 3 minutes. Analyze on 5 minutes. So basically, each candle represent what the price did in a 5-minute time period. So this candle is a 5-minute movement. The candle next to it is a 5-minute movement. This one next to it is a 5-minute movement. All right. This is 5 minute. This is 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, or 5, 10, 15. Yes, I'm actually counting backwards. Yes, but it's basically that each candle represents 5-minute time frame. All right. And you can change it to 1 minute. See, that's on 1 minute. So each candle represents 1 minute, people. So whatever time frame you choose, each candle stick will represent that specific time period. Now, for this strategy, my people, all you need is like, we look for 4 confirmations. There's more, but we normally use 4 confirmations, then we just bam, enter our trades. So if we want to look for a buy using this strategy, my people, I'm going to find a good example. Okay, I think I see one right here. Yes. Firstly, we want to look for when the market is in these areas. Below the blue line on your stochastic, this indicator is known as the stochastic. This one is the RSI. So we want to look for when the market is in this area, which is known as the oversold area. All right. When it's in these areas above the red line, it's in the overbought area. All right. Market is being overbought. So as you can see, it's going up. Yep, it's going up. That's what you're seeing right here. Yes, this is all that you're seeing right here. Market going up. It's below. Yes, this is what you're seeing basically right here, right? Now the confirmation that we look for, let's try and make this indicator, the volume bar, a bit brighter, quick. So trying to make it brief and simple. Yeah, just trying to make it bright so you can see what I am looking at. Save as default. Okay. All right. So looking for the bias, my people. And I'm going to also the use a line so you can see what I'm actually looking at. So right here, make it black. Yeah. Okay. One more. Right. So the confirmations that we look for, people, basically, we want to see when on the RSI, we want to see when the market crosses up the blue line, right? That's one confirmation. And yes, on the RSI, it crosses up the blue line. On the stochastic, we also want to see when it crosses up the blue line. All right, my people, that's a second confirmation. Third confirmation, we have the blue volume bar appearing. All right, that's the third confirmation. Fourth confirmation, a blue candle opening at the blue Bollinger Band. All right, this is the Bollinger Band. Yeah, the top of the Bollinger Band is red, the bottom of the Bollinger Band is blue. All right, so you see a blue candle opening at the blue Bollinger Band and closing, then you want to enter for a buy. All right, so after the candle closes, because you still need patience, so you can see. So if you see a blue candle open and close at the blue Bollinger Band, then you're going to want to get in at the next candle. So as soon as the next candle open, you want to hit that buy. Well, personally, that's how I do it. The opening of the next candle, you want to hit that buy because you're doing it for 3 minutes. Remember, each candle represents 5 minutes. So you enter for 3 minutes right around here. After 5 minutes, you will earn money to your account because this is a 5-minute move and you're taking it for 3 minutes. 3 minutes, like it's going to be a bone right here. That's money to your account, people. Like seriously, that's money to your account. Even if, let's say we even did it on a 1 minute, we analyze this on a 1 minute time frame. You know what I would do? Say we see this, enter for 1 minute. Each candle is 1 minute. Enter right here. And I took a 3-minute trade. 1, 2, 3. So even if I entered right here, after 3 minutes, my 3 minutes, I would be in profit because it would be above where I entered. This is basically like a 3-candle rule that they have when doing your trades, people. And you will understand further down in my videos because I will be posting. All right. Like I said, if I am that confirmation that you guys need, this is it right here. So stop being ignorant. Stop listening to persons who are not doing it. Get your own info yourself. All right, stop playing around with this, because you can make money at your own comfort, wherever, whenever. All right, so these are the confirmations that we look for going for a buy. Sale, looking for sales, it's the same thing. Let's look for a good example right here also. All right, one, you're gonna look for these areas now where it's in the overbought area, above the red line, in the RSI, and above the red line in your stochastic. That's the name of the indicators. All right, so first confirmation, people, you see the line crossing down your stochastic. Okay, that's your first confirmation. Second confirmation, you see it crossing down your RSI. It crossed down the red line on your RSI, people. Okay. Third confirmation, you want to see a red candle opening and closing, at the Bollinger Band. That's your fourth confirmation. Sorry, 1, 2. Yes, you want to see a third, your red volume bar opening and closing. All right, that's your third confirmation. Fourth confirmation would be the candle opening and closing at the red Bollinger bar. All right. And my people, you want to jump in that for a sell. What I would normally do is wait till this candle close and try to get in at this candle right here, the opening of this candle right here. So after 5 minutes, I should be in profit. All right. And again, if I analyze this on a 1 minute, and after 1 minute and I get in on the next trade, which would be 3. See, this was 1, 2, 3. I would be in profit. All right. It would still be below my entry, if you see what I'm saying. All right, my people. So you would be in and out with the money. You can smile. You can go about the rest of your day, do whatever you want to. After taking like a few minutes trade. It is that simple, people. All right. And there's also another confirmation that you can look for as well. I said 4. There are more confirmations. Now I'm just going to show you this one right here, which is these dots, the parabolic dots. If you're looking for a sell, you are also going to see the parabolic dots above your candle. And definitely you can see the parabolic dots above the candles. All right, let me try and zoom it so you can better see. Yes, parabolic dots above the candles. If you're looking for buys, let me go back to our example that I showed you. Come on, stop doing that. Yes. See if I can go back to our example. Come on, stuff. Why you keep doing that? Yes, as you see, the parabolic dots, this time for the buy, the parabolic dots are below your candle. All right, so you can look for those confirmations, people. 4 or more confirmation is good. Whether you want to do a sell or you want to do a buy, normally look for 4 confirmations, and you can actually enter your trade, be in and out with the bag in 1 minute, 3 minute, whatever time expiration you chose, as long as you do wait for your confirmations, people. All right, I'm going to some emphasizing on that. This wait for your confirmations. If you jump in without getting the confirmations, you are setting yourself up for a lesson. All right. Now that this is the simple scalpel, and it is actually what I started with, and I actually got my wins, and I love it. Yes, I love it. Yes, my people. I do get lessons. I'm not gonna lie. I do get lessons, and when I get lessons, I am just being too impatient. I'm being too quick with my entry. So I do experience my lessons. I'm not gonna lie on that. But majority of the times, I get my wins. No jokes. All right. So the next strategy. Yeah, I said I wanted to make this simple and brief, but man, I have to show you what's going on, people. I definitely have to show you. So this right here, well, simple. Next strategy I want to show you, pickpocket. I don't really like focus on these strategies, but these are good also. Like I said, you're still going to need to choose your currency pair that you're going to choose, that you're going to trade. Chart is going to pop up over here. All right, so these actually give you your buy signals as well, also your sell signals. All right, now basically for the buys, you want to ensure that these are the confirmation they say you can look for. One, you want to ensure blue candle is above your blue line, which would be your EMA. All right, you want also see the candle above this line right here. The third confirmation, you're going to see the blue arrow pops up with a buy. Boom. Once you see that, you enter for a trade. You enter, like I said, if it's on a 5 minute, well, this is a 1 or 5 minute. You want to ensure that each candlestick is a 5 minute. You enter your 3 minute trade. Boom. 3 minute, it would be like after 3 minute would be there you are with the bag after that 3 minutes, because this is an entire 5 minute trade, a 5 minute movement. So after 5 minutes with a 3 minute time expiration, you are in and out with a bag, people. So three confirmations. One, you want to see the can. Let's see if we can find a better example. Yes, you want to ensure for the buys. Yeah, like I said, I don't really. All right, here's a good example. Yes, one, you want to ensure the candle is above your blue line. It's above this line right here. And you want to see the buy showing. So after that, in and out with a trade, my people. I don't really study this strategy, so I'm not going to speak much on it. Yes, I don't want to give you any false information because I don't really study this strategy. I stick to the simple scalper, the one I showed you earlier. But you also have the web slinger, which is another strategy. This one is easy. Yes, this one is actually easy. How I studied it, it's actually easy. Go back on my 5 minutes. Like I said, remember you're going to choose the pair that you're going to use. It's going to pop up over here. So basically with this strategy, people, if you're looking for buys, you're basically going to wait until you see a candle crosses up all these web strings. All right, that's what you wait for on your buys. It's going to be above the cloud and all the web strings. And after the candle, yes, you want to see the candle at least opening at the final web string they said. Yeah, that's what they said. I don't really study it. Again, this is not a strategy I like focus on, but I listen to what they said. They said once it's above all your web strings, yes. Well, in this case, I am actually telling you something I heard. Yes, my people. I explained the one that I use, which is the simple scalpel. So in this case, you can actually say, I'm telling you something I heard. I'm not focusing on this strategy. I'm using the one that works for me. But for this strategy, you simply wait until the candle crosses up all the web strings. Then that is a good time to enter for a buy. Same way if you're doing for sale, you want to wait until the candle is below all the web strings, and then you enter for sale. See, you even get the signal right there. You see the sell signs popped up with the arrow pointing down. For the buy, you see it's above all the web string, or at the final web string, you see you got that buy signal. So you definitely want to enter for a buy in this trade. Well, people, what works for me, that's what I told you about. That's what I explained. The simple scalper. That's what works for me, people. All right. This is what I focus on. And like I said, there's another strategy that I ordered recently. I am yet to master that one, which I will, but for now, simple scalper is my boss. This is what I use to get my wins. And like I said, people, you want to see the market in these areas, you want to look out for these areas when it's in the overbought area or when it's in the oversold area. Get your best confirmations there. All right, you scroll, you get your bet, you can see them. All the oversold areas, you can see them. All right, you look for these areas. Overbought, you look for these areas. Right, when it's above your red line, that's how you look for your sale. When it's below your blue line, that's when you look for buys. All right, and I did explain the confirmations that you look for. So people, this is basically the products, the strategies that we use. I hope you got some value from what I explained just now. You can ask your questions in the comment. You can drop your likes. I see persons asking how you can get started. I am going to drop a link. I'm going to post it in my description, rather a link on my Instagram name and my Facebook name, so you can reach out to me on Facebook or on Instagram. If you want to get started, you want to know more, you can hit me up and I will get in touch with you. I will definitely reply. You can ask your questions in the comment. Please drop a like, drop a share this. If you haven't subscribed, please to subscribe now, because people, I will be giving you more information. All right, I'm not going to leave you in the dark. Many of you have been in the dark for such a long time, wondering what's going on for this. And if you pay close attention to what is happening right now in the world, if you are smart, people, if you are smart. All right, so that's it. That's what I have. Remember, drop a like, drop a comment, share. subscribe, click that notification bell, people, and I will see you another time. All right.